Guys, today we're unboxing the DJI Osmo 3 mobile combo pack. This is the mobile gimbal if you don't know yet, and it stabilizes your videos. So let's get into it. We have the carrying case and another pack which we'll see what offers us, and let's get into the carrying case. It is a grey colored carrying case which has the Osmo and DJI branding on it. Now let's go to the second pack, and we have got some basic paperwork, which is the disclaimers, the safety guides, the startup guide, and some warranty cards. So let's just put that aside for a second and let's see what we got. So we've got a tripod which you get in the combo pack. We have some rubber grips which are there to secure your phone and the gimbal. We have a charging cable, a black colored charging cable, that's nice, and we have a storage pouch and a wristband so that you don't mistakenly fall your gimbal. And now we shall get into the carrying case. So the carrying case itself is great, and it is quite built well, and it has a pouch which you can keep your memory card and stuff like that in it. Let's go in it, and we have our DJI Osmo 3 mobile gimbal, and it is obviously grey in color. It looks nice, it's quite sturdy, built well, and it has got some basic instructions as well. It has a grip and has a screw to obviously put your tripod on. Let's open it, and this is how it opens. Quite nice, and it's quite easy to use as well. Now we have the phone grips which are made of rubber. This is the charging cable, black colored charging cable, USB type C to type A. Now we have the wristband which is adjustable, and we have the tripod which is very useful to shoot the hyperlapse shots, and if you're shooting yourself, to provide a stand. It has the DJI branding on it, and let's open it and see how long it spreads. And yeah, so this is the tripod. It has a screw on it to mount it on your gimbal. Let's put that aside, get further, and we have the storage pouch which is also very nice to keep your stuff in it, and it's just a nice piece to have in a combo pack. And let's get into it. It's same, the grey color, and it is made up of fabric, has the DJI and Osmo branding on it, and it's just nice to keep your tripod, maybe a charging cable, your grips, your paperwork, whatever you desire. And yeah, so to set up it, you've got to install an app, DJI Mimo. You can get it on Play Store and App Stores as well, and you've got to agree to all the permissions, and it will basically it will get you up and running and set up your gimbal to use. So this is it for today, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and please consider subscribing to this channel and liking this video.